We just busted this pack, or this box, and didn't realize we were recording. So I'm just going to go over the hits real fast. So my nephew Parker got a T.J. Clemens rookie card autograph, a Tevin Coleman rookie card, that's not a rookie card, just an autograph, and then a couple of the inserts were so nice. Demarius Thomas, Rashad Green, Andre Johnson, which is numbered, I believe. No, it's not numbered. This one's numbered. 7/49. Robert Griffin III. It's a cool card. Anthony Harris. And then all of these rookies. Tyler Lockett, Eric Tomlinson, Buck Allen, Cody Farjo, Carlos Williams, Levi Norwin, Michael Dyer, Jackson Shupley, Eli Harold, PJ Williams, Marcus Mariota, Curtis Drummond, Bo Wallace, Denzel Perryman, Sammy Coates, Jesse James, Jake Waters, Dominique Brown, Malcolm Magoo, Cedric Sumley, Bryce Petty, Tarrant, Jordan Phillips, TJ Yeldon, that's a cool card, and Josh Robinson. Alright, now we're going to do Prestige 2013, 24 packs. Hit it. JJ Nelson's too there. That's some nice rookies there.
Andre Brown, Dallas Clark, Hall of Famer, right?
Well, yeah, he's not it.
Nick Foles.
Colts. He used to play for the Colts. Well, that's a cool, wild-looking card.
Tony Romo.
Tony Romo. That's a cool card, though. Too bad it's not.
Matt Scott. Eric Decker. Reggie Wayne. He's a Hall of Famer, right?
They're not in the Hall.
Andrew Hawkins.
They're good players, but they're not in the Hall. Both of them, too, are... these are all base, though, right? All base. All base, all base, all base. These are just base.
Everything open.
Except for the fantasy guy. Tony Romo. There you go. There you go.
Greg Jennings, Robert McQueen, Mark Ingram, Aaron Rodgers.
Yeah, that's nice, Aaron Rodgers. Is it not? It looks like they're cool the way they're like see-through. Aaron Rodgers.
Terrence,
quarterback rating.
Terrence Williams, rookie card. Nothing in here.
And a Terrence Williams rookie card. Alright. There's 4 hits in this box.
There is?
Mm-hmm. Could be autographs, it could be memorabilia. Let's hope for autographs.
Brian Hartline, Chris Givens, Mike Williams. I think this is a hit. Nope.
No.
Insert.
Yeah, it's a type of insert.
Detroit Lions, Alex Smith, DeMarcus Ware. I don't even know how to say that.
Alright, just pass him. I'll sort him as you go. Keep on him. Just gotta sort him because I think this is a rookie. I like the way the rookie's really good.
Next pack.
You call out if it's a Gator.
Richard Sherman, Matt Flynn, Perry Gaunt, Trayvon Austin, Miles Austin, Chris Williams, Devin Hester.
Devin Hester.
No hits yet.
Devin Hester,
Malcolm Floyd, Darren Sproles, Percy Harvin, Gator.
Alright, we got a Gator.
BJ Manuel. I thought that's a rookie card.
Prestige picks.
Zach Rick, Charles Tillman,
Nice.
Rangers, Des Bryant.
One Gator so far. This is another rookie.
I think there's something in here. Yep, there's something in here. Or
Right.
it's either decoy.
Or it's a decoy. No, I don't think it's a decoy.
Robert Griffin, Darrell Rivas,
No, it is a decoy, you're right.
EJ Manuel.
That's a cool looking card. Yeah,
Freaking
decoy.
decoy. Roberts Wood, Clay Matthews, Brandon Marshall, and Seal Shorts the third. Next card pack. Get this thing open.
There you go.
He's a freaking decoy again. Vince Jackson,
Doesn't matter, you're guaranteed 4 hits.
Terrence Moore, Alfred
Don't worry
Morris.
about it. Oh, what's that? It's a Patriot. No, that's not a decoy, that's a
Marcus
hit.
Whedon.
That's a hit. Who is it? It's a Pittsburgh Steeler. Who is it?
Marcus Whedon. He's good. This is rookie card too.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's cool, rookie hit. And it's numbered
Joe
too.
Flacco.
It's numbered to
Reggie
199.
Bush. Steve Smith.
Alfred Morris comes up a lot. Rookie. That's cool. It's a rookie card too, Marcus Wheaton.
Isaac Redman. Tom Brady. Colin Kaepernick. Trash. Mike Lennon. Juwan Tony Romo. Julio Jones. And Mike Wesmore. Hinken Nix, Ben Roethlisberger, Stephen Taylor, rookie card,
Rookie card. Remember something?
Tyler
So, yeah,
Effert,
rookie card.
Scott Chandler, J.J. Watt, and Andy Dalton.
JJ?
Still no autographs.
Still 3 hits to go, too.
Vince Brown, Jimmy Graham, Josh Freeman, autograph.
Alright, who we got? On card, too. Who is it?
Marcus Lattimore. I've heard of him.
Marcus Lattimore.
There you go. Another rookie card.
San Francisco.
Getting-
It's a rookie, too.
Yeah, no, I saw that. Jonathan Baldwin, DeMarco Murray, and Sheen Weatherspoon.
Alright.
Next pack. Jacoby Floyd, Santana Moss, Jonathan Dwyer. I think this is a hit. Oh, wait, what? Nope.
What's your number?
Rookie card. DeMarco Sue, Marcus Jones Drew, and Joe Hayden Gator.
He's a Gator?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Got 2 Gators. Let's see this baby.
It's either a decoy in here or this is a hit. Troy Polamalu, Shane Vernon, Frank
Looks like
Gore,
a hit. No, it's a decoy.
Marius Thomas. That's a nice card.
An extra something. It says. What is this? Extra
Chris
points.
Craig.
Oh, it's numbered. It's a
Yes.
numbered card.
What kind?
That one's numbered too.
Larry Fitzgerald. Antonio Brown, Kyle Rudolph, Joe McKnight, another nice rookie card. Andre Ellington, Justin Blackmon, Trent Richardson, Matt Ryan. It's either a decoy or a hit.
Still got how many hits? 2 more hits to go.
Decoy. Jared Allen, Antonio Gates, Chris Johnson, Michael Vick, decoy, Geno Smith, Roddy White, Ryan Bortles.
That's number this one.
Next card pack. Darren McFadden, Fred Davis, Heath Miller. Nice rookie card. Jordan Reed. That's a nice
Gator?
card. That's a rookie card. That's a Gator too.
Right. Jordan Reed,
Kenny
rookie
Stills. A.A. Ron Rodgers. Aaron Rodgers. Ryan McPhail. T.Y. Hilton. Nate Washington, Bryce Brown, Christian Ponder. I think this is an auto. Nope. Cool. Rookie Calvin Johnson, C.J. Spiller, Adrian Foster.
Stedman Bailey. He's a number 2 overall. Oh, 92 overall.
Vince Wilfork, Richard something. Brian, I think this is a hit right here. Nope. Rookie card. Torrey Smith, James Jones, and D'Angelo Williams. Come on, we gotta get another hit.
D'Angelo, you got 2 more hits coming. D'Angelo Williams.
Danny Edelman, Michael Crabtree, Victor Cruz. Another Gavin Escobar autograph.
What do you mean another autograph?
Weird.
So you already got the same guy in an autograph?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? Oh, you're talking about from the other day.
Yeah.
Okay, that's not. Yeah, it's alright.
Marcus